Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and I'll show you a couple of camera tricks. At the first we are going to start from the photo mode. When you tap on the screen, just like that, you can increase or decrease brightness level by moving this icon. You can make it manually by tapping on the screen. The same you can make in the video mode. Take a look. And the manually. Let's go back for the photo mode where we can find, for example, a very useful option, that's the Google Lens. When you tap right here, of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. When you click and accept all the permissions, you can find objects around you. So for example, if I want to get more information about this mouse, you have to grab your phone like that. Then when you have this blue dot on the item that you are looking for, you have to press on the shutter. And right now our smartphone makes online web search for this product. And there's the Logitech B100 mouse. You can also find here the text, you can copy, translate, go for the shopping, so we can go and just get straight offers from the shops, from the Amazon. I think it will be useful for some of you. Next option that we can find in the photo mode is the small shutter. We can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let's pick 3 for example. Right now you can just tap on the shutter and after this time the photo will be taken. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need this option right now. We can open the settings, and in the settings we can also find useful options like volume button function. Currently it's set up on shutter countdown, so when I press volume up or down button, the photo will be taken after a few times, so it's just simply the delay that I showed you a few moments ago. But let's switch to zoom for example, and take a look. I'm gonna put this phone a little bit higher, and when you press volume up, you can zoom in very smoothly. Take a look. And what is really interesting that you can zoom to the 100 times, and when you go above the 15, we get this preview right here. Of course, I cannot go that far away because everything is just, you cannot see here nothing because it's just too close. You have to point to the object that is far away. So we can just zoom in and zoom out by pressing volume buttons. In the settings we can also find an option called focus and the shot. So when you hold your phone like that and then press on the screen and press another time, your photo will be taken. So it's especially useful when you have only one hand and you cannot reach this bottom shutter. So you can press and take photo. So when the left hand is not available or the right one, you are hanging any other item, you can use this tap and shot option. Okay, and I think from the settings there will be almost everything, but there's the last option, there's press and hold shutter button. So when you press the hold shutter button, we can take a lot of photos in this short time. We take 20 photos, and here they are. We can store all of them right here. Oh, it's not 20, it's 30. My bad. Right now when you move for the video mode, we can quickly add filters, so we can change temperature and the colors by tapping here. That's a lot of themes, honestly. But let's turn it off. You can also find very cool option when you go for the pro mode and you don't know what is going on here. You can tap on the information icon where you will get the grade. the great preview of a very feature. Sorry guys for that. We can move for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the multicam. So we can shot the video from the two cameras at the same time. Just take a look. We can pick exact cameras. For example, I would like to pick the front camera and this 1x camera. Right now when I click here, I'm able to record the video at the two cameras at the same time. We can of course switch this, I can call it the film. Yeah, the film of the cameras right here. When we tap like that, we are able to resize. So we can, for example, put the front camera in the right upper corner, as you can see. Okay, let's go back. Oh, I was about to go for the more modes, and we can find here also the movie effects. I'm not in the best place to show you how it works, but there will be a small preview on the parallel words. Take a look. Okay, and the last option that it's very and super useful, you can take selfie by using this rear camera. So it will be useful when you switch the volume buttons to the shutter. And take a look right now. We have to click here when you're in the photo mode and then tap to display preview on the rear display on this one. As you can see, we got here the preview, how it looks right now. And when you want to take photo, you can make it very easy by pressing volume up button. So yeah, let's try. The photo was taken, and that's how it looks. So you can get the great quality by shooting, you know, this kind of the photos. I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.